Let's go into the next section of the show here. What I like to do here is do a viewer question. So a quick viewer question. Someone wrote in asking if there was any alternatives to LimeWire for peer-to-peer file sharing. Peer-to-peer file sharing is things like Nutella or BitTorrent files and that sort of thing. So basically, there are literally hundreds of peer-to-peer file sharing software clients. Few people in chat might throw up some of the ones that you like. I've used LimeWire in the past and those sorts of things. I don't do it right now. And one thing I do want to mention before I give this recommendation, I want to mention that peer-to-peer file sharing comes with risks of things like spyware, viruses, and that sort of thing. Therefore, I do not recommend any peer-to-peer file sharing application or solution due to those risks. So unless you're highly educated and you're willing to take that risk on a machine, then you might explore a peer-to-peer file sharing solution. However, again, because of the risks of spyware and viruses, I do not personally recommend any peer-to-peer application, including the hundreds that you can see listed on Wikipedia. So the one that I would like to mention, though, if you're looking for an alternative to LimeWire, is one called FrostWire. FrostWire is a very nice peer-to-peer client. It has a collaborative effort made from open source and freelance software developers located around the world. It's basically a lot like the LimeWire Pro client. However, it doesn't have the pop-ups and that sort of thing. They just released a new version in July of 2008. It's free. It's open source. Check it out. It allows you to get into the Nutella and BitTorrent protocols, and it has a broad appeal because it runs on multiple platforms, including Windows Vista, XP, 2000 NT, Mac OS X, as well as Linux and some Unix flavors. So if you're looking for a peer-to-peer file sharing application, meaning you just must have one, you might check out FrostWire. You can find that at frostwire.com. Some more information about this application. The application, again, was developed for the open source environment, and the community, what's it say here, legal action faced by LimeWire has been forked. So they had some potential legal action from the LimeWire guys, I guess, but it's been forked is what the little article I found on it says. So the freedom that they expect from peer-to-peer, it says some reviewers have compared FrostWire to the old Napster. FrostWire includes all of the free LimeWire versions functionality, but also includes a number of new features that the LimeWire Pro only includes, which are like multi-threaded downloads, turbocharged connections, and the added benefit that you won't see, any nag screens or ads like you might see in the LimeWire or LimeWire Pro. Again, this is open source. It will do firewall to firewall transfers. It has a built-in community chat. You can connect to more sources, all kinds of things. It has junk result filters, turbocharged download speeds, iTunes integration, supports Nutella and BitTorrent, which are a few peer-to-peer file sharing protocols. It supports proxies and all of that. I'll have some links in the show notes to this. Again, you can find it at frostwire.com. Supports multiple platforms or operating systems. If you want to check it out, feel free to. I also have a link here to more information, which is just a link to the Wikipedia, and there's literally hundreds of peer-to-peer clients, and this is just one that I've found to like, and know some people that have used it and had great success with it. Again, let me mention that peer-to-peer file sharing has its risk, including things like spyware, viruses, and that sort of thing. Therefore, again, HiWEB or myself, I do not recommend any peer-to-peer file sharing application on a computer that you expect to be working day to day. So if you have a computer and you want it working every day, I wouldn't load a peer-to-peer file sharing application on it because you could expect the potential risk of getting infected by malware. So check it out, though, if you want to. It's frostwire.com, frostwire.com. So that's the viewer question from this week. Let's see. Let's go ahead and move on. Are you guys still having... yeah, chat says peer-to-peer roll of the dice. Is it still quality problems as far as you guys are concerned with the stream? This week's show is being brought to you by many affiliates, including Amazon.com. See Amazon.com for some of the best deals on the internet. Or stop by live.hiweb.net anytime and go ahead and type in shop space Amazon, and it'll give you a link to Amazon. You can also just stop by shop.hiweb.net and link directly into that affiliateship partner, as well as many other of my affiliate partners for great deals on technology, solutions, services, and all of that sort of thing. So check it out.